from y'all know who. My most favorite human hair wig makers, and that's Nadula hair, y'all. I have so many Nadula wigs, it's not even funny at this point. I 110% can recommend them without me even looking in this wig, because I can't remember what I ordered, but I know it's going to be bomb. Okay, look in that description box, you see all the details and all that jazz. So the wig, of course, it came in a shipping packaging, but it comes in this, which I find these little storage bags so cute. Okay, now let's go look and see what me and Ambien ordered. Okay, ooh, I see color. I see color, but you know, Nadula is also known for not just giving us these bomb wigs. Y'all, they be giving us so many extras. So we have an edge band with their name on it. We have some HD stocking caps. Hold on, because there's some more stuff in here. We also have some more HD stocking caps. Another edge band. There's a press-on and nails, which would have looked cute with what I have on today. Okay. And like I said, this little storage sack, which is always, you know, a winner. I be having all types of stuff in them. I got so many just around my house. Alright, so this wig is 24 inches long. It's a body wave, and it's this gorgeous color that y'all know I'm in love with, 33B. Wait till y'all see this color. Oh, look at that, y'all. I ain't gonna have to curl this. Nadula knows that I can't comb here. So they send you the wig already curled. Isn't that bomb? Y'all. So I've reviewed this wig before, but it was in a different color. Y'all, everything is already done for you. You don't have to cut nothing. You don't have to bleach nothing, which I would have done that shit anyway. You don't have to pluck nothing. Everything is already done for your little fat self. Okay. Ooh, y'all. Alright, so let's look at this construction. Okay, I was about to say I dropped something. It does come with the band that I do utilize with them, and it feels comfortably on my head. Alright, so you get quite a bit of parting space. Did I say how much parting space? No, I don't remember. Look in the description box, you'll see. You get all of this parting space. You get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. Plus, you get the little slots to put this band in. Y'all, the wig is just dope, okay? Before I even put the band on, let me just put the wig on my head to show you. I just lost an earring, but that's all right. Okay, that's with nothing done to this, okay? Once I put that band on, it's going to make that blend into my head so well, y'all. I can already tell that I'm going to love this one. All right. Let's go play around with it, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. You guys be right back.
Something about the way that you talk to me. Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. So baby, I've been
on this wig. Did you see that I didn't have to curl this? I have to do anything. All I did, and I was so scared to run my comb through it because the curls were just so pretty. Y'all, this is straight out of the pack. And this is why Nadula is the number one my most favorite human hair wig maker. This is why. Because I literally could take the wig out the pack, put it on my head, and run a comb through it. And this is what we got. Y'all know I could never get, excuse the dogs. Y'all know I could never get curls like this on my own. So to have a wig come to me pre-curled, y'all just gotta excuse them. They going crazy. So to have a wig come to me pre-curled like this is just amazing. I can 1010% recommend that you go check this wig out. If this color is too much for you, they make this same wig in just a natural one big looking color. I definitely recommend, whether you are a wig slayer or a wig beginner, this is just a good wig to have in your arsenal, you guys. I definitely recommend this one. Look in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this bad boy. Until next time, y'all, I'm just stoked about this. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.
It's not the way you say it to my eyes.